Today we talk about how can you get Reddit announcements notifications on your inbox on Reddit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down here, click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings. So then you go down here until you will find here manage notifications. Just click on it. Then you go down here, just keep going down until you find Reddit announcement. Just click on it. Then you click here on inbox. Like you see here, Reddit announcements notifications on your inbox enable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.